Hi guys, this is Desi and I'm back again for another video. And for today's video, I'm going to share with you my top 4 ESL companies based from my experience. Pasensya na kasi medyo haggard, kakatapos ko lang magturo. Hindi naman masyadong busy these days, pero hindi ko alam, pag mas marami akong time, mas madami akong time para matulog, and parang mas inaantok ako, mas tinatamad ako, so mas haggard ako kumpara pag busy ako. Hindi ko alam kung may nakaka-relate sa inyo dun. Pero yeah. Okay, so anyway, these are my top 4 ESL companies based from my experience. So I'm going to share with you some information about these companies, and hopefully if ever in the future they will be posting some job posts or job vacancies or teaching vacancies, at least you know what to expect already. Okay, my top 4 is Acadsoc. I know that some of you guys don't have or have some bad experiences about Acadsoc, but then I had experience being with this company for maybe like almost 3 years then. And then, most of my experiences there were good and some were not good. But I'm just going to share with you about this company. So the salary is 90 pesos per hour and up. Some teachers claim that they could earn up to 30,000 pesos in this company. And I think that is really good, and that is achievable. Especially they have some programs like top tutor programs, but it depends on your hard work, your dedication as well, and your internet connection. Because sad to say, Acadsoc will really kill you with penalty, especially if your internet connection is not that good and you cancel classes. They don't have that ample consideration to teachers. And well, classes are paid with or without class according to my experience, and I think until now pero may narinig ako na yung iba daw hindi na nababayaran, pero mostly classes are paid with or without class. And you can also handle different kinds of students, beginners to advanced. This is also what I like about this company. Dahil sa Acadsoc na experience ko na maging flexible teacher or versatile teacher, because you will be handling beginners to advanced. What I like about Acadsoc is you just have to enter the classroom and teach. So they have their own ESL or English platform or ESL platform, which is a classroom and also ClassIn. I'm not sure if they are still using ClassIn, but those are very good platforms because you can get the students become engaged with you. And yeah, maganda siyang gamitin. I think there are also a lot of tutorials on how to use ClassIn and also a classroom. Some other vloggers, they are also featuring these classrooms in their vlogs. So you can just go ahead and see for yourself. And ano pa ba? With their management, their TMs, it depends. I knew some teachers, they were working here for a long time because of their TMs or TLs or team managers. Some of the team managers here are very considerate, and also they care for their members, but then some probably were not, based from what I heard. According to my experience naman, my TL before was like, she kept on pushing me to do my best, and she even introduced me some programs like group class. I remember I handled group class. That was my first time to handle group class because my TM had me experience that. And also top tutor program. She was pushing me to be part of the top tutor program. But then this was also what I don't like about Acadsoc. They kept on, I don't know, for some reason, team managers or TMs were like, kept on resigning. I think I had 4 TMs when I was working here. Nagre-resign yung iba, and then yung iba naman nililipat ka sa ibang TM. I don't know, for some reason. So, when my favorite TM resigned, that was the time that I resigned as well. What else? If you still have some other questions about Acadsoc, you can just leave a comment down below and then I would just answer that for you. For now, those are the only things that I could share about Acadsoc. 7 out of 10. Okay, next, my top 3 is Edoo.pl. Although I didn't really lasted here for quite a long time. It was just for a very short time, but my experience was really good. So their salary is $270 per hour. It could go up to $390 per hour because there are a lot of bonuses, and the manager or the CEO is really very nice. So the salary is also given twice a month, certificate of registration. Yes, you need to secure your certificate of registration. So if ever that you need your RDO to be transferred, you have to just maybe send an email to your original RDO and then make it be transferred to your current RDO, and then yes, and then you have to kailangan nyo asikasuhin yung certificate of registration nyo. Kasi if you don't do that, mapapatagal yung bali kasi $270 per hour, pero pag hindi pa kayo naka-secure ng certificate of registration sa BIR, I think you could just get 200 pesos per hour, which is not bad. But then the remaining, they're going to give that to you when you already have presented your certificate of registration sa BIR. So you have to secure your certificate of registration so that you could get the whole amount of 270 per hour. So, yan. And interview, so you will be having an interview. They after you pass or submit your application, they're going to schedule you for evaluation and then interview and also demo class. And the management is very considerate, and materials are provided and classes are conducted via Zoom. I don't know if they're still hiring, but then someone asked me if they're still hiring, and then I told her that I'm not sure, but I just offered to give her the email address for her to submit her application, and nag-reply naman yung management. So maybe hiring sila. For interested applicants, you can just comment your email na lang, and then I will send you the information because I'm not promoting them, and baka magulat sila na maraming mag-apply and hindi naman sila hiring. So we could just try it. So you could just comment down na lang your email for interested applicants, and then you could try as well. My top 2 is NownTalk. So in this company, I stayed for like almost 5 years. So the salary is $150 per hour, and if I'm not mistaken, they went up to 160 or 180 per hour. And audio class, this is what I like about this company, audio class. And this one, maybe if you don't want your salary be given only once a month, well, I think you will not like it, because they will just give your salary once a month, every 30th of the month. Yes. And adult students, this is also what I like about this company, because when I was working here, it felt like I was not working. It felt like I was talking to my friends. But of course, while you're talking to them, you just have to, like correct their grammar through the chat box lang. Wala naman siyang anything na like reports. It's just so free. That's why I also miss NownTalk. I love this company. The management is also good. And it feels like you're not working. Okay, so most of the time, only free talking. The materials are also provided. But then since adults nga sila, and most of them, they just wanted to practice their English because they are traveling and they are practicing for their job interview. So it's just really so fun to be with this company. And they also have bonuses. Yes, they have bonuses, Christmas bonus. If you made the students stay with you for a long time, they also have bonuses for that. And the schedule is from 5 a.m. till 12 midnight. But of course, with break time, they will be giving you your students as well. Regular students. It's not a booking class. What else? There's no penalty. And walang penalty siya. You can just send directly to your students if you have encountered some problems or something like that. And what I also liked about this company is when there is like a problem with your internet connection, you could just use your phone and use the data, load up, and then use your data and call your student, just like that. So I forgot, in Edoo.pl, the schedule is from 12 a.m. till 2 a.m. So this was also the reason why hindi ako tumagal dito, kasi hindi na ako sanay ng graveyard talaga yung shift, or graveyard yung time ng work, kasi nakakaantok talaga siya. Tapos most of the time, tapos ang mga estudyante pa puro mga bata, so nakakaantok talaga. Although you can have adult students from 2 a.m. till 6 a.m. as well. And okay, and of course my top one is Bunny English, or Mr.Chipans group. The salary is 270 per hour, 270 pesos per hour. It depends sa palitan, and it used to be 285, but the current exchange rate is not that good, so humihina yung dollars. Well, ibig sabihin lumalakas yung peso, pero naaapektuhan yung exchange rate dito. So yes, 270 per hour, which is also good. Video class, and the salary is weekly. And then you will get to handle beginner to intermediate students. Materials are also provided. Most of them, you can just check my other videos about the materials that we use here in Bunny English or Chipans group. And then, of course, this is not a company, but I included this because it's an ESL platform naman din. And group of teachers and students, and also flexible schedule. This is what I like about it. So from 9 a.m. till 9 p.m. during winter and summer vacation, and regular days you have 5 p.m. till 9 p.m. or 4 p.m. till 9 p.m. on weekdays, and weekends you'll have 9 a.m. till 9 p.m. as well. with your own choice of break time and days off as well. So there, these are my top 4 ESL companies. They have equivalent ESL companies as well. Bunny English equivalent ESL platform is Beestone. I will soon get some information because I contacted the manager of Beestone, and then he wanted me to introduce his company to ESL teachers because they are hiring. They're looking for ESL company. They're looking for teachers for their company. I will tell the details on my next vlog. With NownTalk, maybe the equivalent of this one is tutoring.kr. And with Edoo.pl, maybe Skying or Nova Kid. Yeah. And with Acadsoc, of course, we have 51Talk. That is the equivalent of this company. Okay, so those are my top 4 ESL companies. If you still have some other questions, you can just comment down below. Because I think I missed on some information. But since medyo bangag-bangag na din and inaantok na. And yeah, so that's why you can just comment your question. Don't forget to subscribe for more ESL videos.